Do you know that in 2025, millions of people are making money with crypto without even trading around the clock? The truth is, crypto isn't just about buying Bitcoin and hoping it goes up. There are 5 powerful ways you can start earning today, even if you're a beginner. From passive income to smart trading strategies, I'll break down step by step how you can make money with crypto safely and effectively. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your crypto journey. First up, let's talk about buy and hold. This is all about long-term investment in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top altcoins. For example, if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin 5 years ago, you'd have over $10,000 today. The key here is patience and honestly doing your research. Next, we've got trading. This can mean short-term or long-term trading, and it's a bit more hands-on. You'll use tools like technical analysis, charts, and exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. Now, the risk is definitely high, but the potential returns are absolutely huge. All right, so let's talk about earning passive income by locking up your coins. This is called staking and yield farming. For example, staking Ethereum can actually give you around 4 to 6% returns every year. It's honestly best for people who don't want to be trading every single day, you know? Here's something cool. Lots of new crypto projects hand out free tokens to early adopters, and these are called airdrops. For example, the Uniswap airdrop turned into thousands of dollars for some folks, all for free. The trick is to join reputable projects early on so you don't miss out. NFTs aren't just about art anymore, right? They're in gaming, real estate, and loads of other digital assets now. If you play your cards right, there are some huge money-making opportunities in this space. Now you've learned 5 proven ways to make money with crypto in 2025. Which one excites you the most? Trading, staking, or NFTs? Comment below and let's discuss. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because in my next video, I'll reveal the safest strategies for beginners to avoid losing money in crypto. If you're serious about growing your wealth, stick with me. We're just getting started.